How to use HeyGen. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about HeyGen and how you can use it. So let's get into it. So HeyGen is an AI video generator and a lot of people are using it nowadays. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and sign up for free by just simply clicking on, get started for free. We can sign up with Google as well. There's some different use cases over here like video ads, social media, learning how to videos, pricing is over here. We'll go ahead and take a look at that in a second. So we're going to go ahead and click on get started free. I'm going to go ahead and actually sign up with Google, and then we choose one of the two plans. I'm going to go with the free one. You can see over here, we got individual and we got business. So in individual, there's two plans, the free and the creator. In the free plan, you get to create 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes, access to the video translations, 720p export, not 1080p, but still HD. We got standard video processing, 3 avatar, 4 videos per month. We can see right here. And 1 custom video avatar, 500 stocks, all of those. Whereas in the creator, we get unlimited videos in AI Studios, which can go up to 30 minutes, 120 minutes of video translations per month, 1080p video exports, fast video processing, and extended video generation with Avatar 4, which is pretty cool. And then you get some more options over here. You can go ahead and compare it more by just simply clicking on, see the full comparison. We're going to continue with the free plan. We're going to choose the free one. Now here, I don't see a skip button, so I'll just go with personal and click on continue. And I'm a hobbyist, click on continue. YouTube, continue. And what do you want to create first? I want to create a fun creative project, an interactive avatar, something else, or translated video. Let's go with product intro video. So do you want to earn money from the content? Not yet. Click on continue. I wish there was a skip button so that I could skip all of this, but there isn't. So let's go with this one. All right. So finally it's done. We should be good to go. So this is how it looks like. We can see bring any ideas to life with the video agent. We got our text prompt over here where we can add our prompt. Down below we have some templates that we can get started with. You can see agencies, presentation, this is information, this is e-commerce, news, social media, ad agency. This one's the light one, this is the darker one. So it's pretty cool. We got our avatar over here. We've got our auto over here. So here you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. So in the avatar section, we can see my avatar. We can create some avatars over here, but we'll take a look at that in a sec. We have public avatars over here, so we can go ahead and select one of them and get started with that. We can even create a UGC ad as well. So this is Ricardo. We've got Pamela. We've got Kurt, Amelia, Gabrielle. We can go ahead and select whichever one you want. So let's go with Ricardo, and then we can just type in what type of video we want. So make a video or generate video that optimizes my platforms and goals. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I don't actually know what type of video I want to create, but maybe we can go ahead and check out something else. Let's go ahead and check out this one and see what we get.
Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into social media strategy for HeyGen. Our goal is to drive engagement and achieve meaningful growth across various social...
I mean, there's nothing a lot happening over here, but the audio itself is pretty nice.
Throughout my career, I've led successful campaigns, including one...
Yeah, it does look pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out the other one.
View the latest news and breaking news today for U.S., world, weather, entertainment, politics, and health at HeyGen.
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So anyway, let's go ahead and something like this. I don't know. Let's go ahead and hit the next button, see what we get. So here we go. So it's creating a new video for us, sent it the prompt and everything. And this is the whole plan. So we got the topic, audience, music, everything looks good. If you want to change something, you can just type in change. For example, let's say the avatar. You want to change the avatar to something else. You want to change the target language to something else. You can just type it in and it'll change that up. But once everything looks good, just type in yes. And then hit the enter button and we are good to go. All right, so it's ready. Let's go ahead and take a view over here. Yeah, go ahead and play it.
Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to the ultimate destination for innovation. Dive into the future with us. Latest gadget reviews, breaking tech news, and innovations shaping our world. Don't miss the Tech Channel. Subscribe and like.
It's okay, but I should have maybe given him more instructions as to how I wanted it, like a YouTuber style where they're sitting on their computer with the mic in front of them, recording from their camera in front of their computers, not standing in a hallway. But should have probably given them more, options, but this is fine as well. This is fine as well. Nothing too crazy. We can go ahead and tweak it out later. Just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and create these videos. So next you can go ahead and check out the studio where you can edit the produced video. So if we open up over here, click on edit in AI Studio, and this is the editor right here. We can see the script over here. We can go ahead and edit it. Here we have the avatar, the voice, the motion engine as well. We have the avatar background over here, radius, zoom, everything. We even have, I think these are transitions. These are the transitions over here. These are different clips that we can see over here. And whenever we hover our cursor around, there is a highlighted word, which indicates that, you know what, the video is speaking over here. So if you want, you can go ahead and change up the texts over here, change the voices, change the avatar over here. And you can even change the avatar and its voice as well, which is pretty cool. And also over here, you will see on the right hand side, you have AI, you have media, elements, music, CC, which is caption, and layouts and templates as well. So you have all these different options. Then once you have finished your editing, you can either play or click on the generate button to generate it. You have the option to change the orientation, go from a portrait to landscape. You also have branded options as well, like a whole brand section. Like you can go ahead and change the colors, the text and stuff like that, you know, assets, all of those stuff as well. So there you go. Those were all the main things. Next over here on the left hand side, as I said before, you have your apps over here where you can go ahead and, you know, install apps like you've got photo to video, you've got translate video, quick avatar. We have VO 3.1 avatar video, which is also pretty cool. You have integration options right here, like you have HubSpot, Adobe, Canva, even ChatGPT plugin as well. And you already know how much it costs and how many videos we can make over here. So we can only make 3 videos per month with the free version, but if you want more, you have to pay $24 per month. This is yearly. If you switch to monthly, the cost is going to rise up significantly. And then we have business options over here. So there you go. So if you watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.